Hello everyone, we are back on your favorite learning platform, Learn Forward. So we are going to study from Feathercap. We are on chapter number 2, that is how the earth looks. So in chapter 1, we have studied about the earth, how the earth is formed or how the earth was discovered that it is round in shape, right? So in this chapter, we are going to study कि earth में जो हमने चीजें पढ़ी, that there are two parts, land and water, and we are going to study about कॉन्टिनेंट्स एंड द ओशंस की जो आपका इतना बड़ा सरफेस है अर्थ का उसके अंदर बहुत सारा लैंड के ऊपर क्या चीजें हैं और आपके वाटर बॉडीज कौन कौन सी हैं राइट सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द चैप्टर नाउ प्लीज बी रेडी विद योर बुक्स हाउ द अर्थ लुक्स अर्थ दिखती कैसे है राइट द अर्थ इज राउंड इन शेप We have learned about the earth in the previous chapter. It is round and very big. हमने पढ़ा है कि जो earth है that is round like a ball and it is very big. We cannot see the whole earth at one time. So जो हम earth को एक बारी में पूरा नहीं देख सकते हैं we have to make a model of the earth to study it. अब earth की different places को discover करने के लिए देखने के लिए and to know more about it. So हमें study करने के लिए हमारे पास एक छोटा सा model होता है. So we have to make a model of the earth to study it. The small model of the earth is called globe. और उस छोटे से मॉडल को कहते हैं globe. So a globe looks like this, right? जो एक globe होता है that is attached like this और ये एक एक्सेस से basically नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल जो ग्लोब का मॉडल पे होता है that are attached to the pin जिससे आप इजीली इसको मूव कर सकते हैं. You can circle it, move it around and see the other places on the earth. The globe is also round like a earth. जो globe होता है वो भी इस आपका round shape में बना होता है. At a time we can see only a part of the earth on a globe. जैसे हम earth को का ही एक part देख सकते हैं ऐसी globe पे भी हम एक part ही एक जगह का देख सकते हैं. Like you have seen in this picture भी आपको थोड़ी limited चीजें दिखाई दे रही हैं but if you move the globe तो आपको बाकी चीजें भी नजर आएंगी. To see the other parts we have to rotate it. So उसको बाकी parts को देखने के लिए we need to rotate the globe. A look at the globe help us in knowing many things about the earth. When you move the globe, आपको बहुत सारी चीजें देखने को मिलेगी. You will get to know about the many other countries, oceans. There are oceans and continents. So there are two things that are very prominent on the globe, जो कि होते हैं oceans और continents. So what are oceans? Oceans are the large water bodies and continents are the large part of the lands. The very large bodies of the water on the earth are called oceans. जो बड़ी बड़ी water bodies हैं हमारी earth के ऊपर that are known as oceans. So you have seen a lot of water bodies. आपने river देखी होगी या फिर आपने sea देखा होगा और you have seen beaches, lakes, ponds, etc. So इनका जो source होता है water का वो that is ocean only. Ocean से ही ये जो है that are differentiated, right? जो ocean है that is the सब ह्यूज वाटर बॉडी सबसे बड़ी वाटर बॉडी हमारी ओशन ही होती है. उसके बाद जो सी दैट इज स्मॉलर देन द ओशन. सो देयर आर 5 मेन ओशंस. जो ओशंस हैं हमारी पूरे आपके ग्लोब पे देयर आर टोटल 5 ओशंस. ओशंस फर्स्ट इज पैसिफिक ओशन, सेकंड इज अटलांटिक, थर्ड इज इंडियन ओशन, फोर्थ इज सर्दर्न ओशन एंड फिफ्थ इज आर्कटिक ओशन. सो लर्न विद मी. देयर आर 5 ओशंस: पैसिफिक ओशन, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean and Arctic Ocean. So these are the 5 main oceans on the earth. The Pacific Ocean is the largest. So the largest one is the Pacific Ocean and the smaller water bodies, जो छोटी water bodies होती हैं in comparison to oceans that are seas, rivers and lakes. There are very large land on the earth. There are very large areas of the land on the earth that are called continents. So oceans होती हैं water की बड़ी bodies and continents होते हैं land की बड़ी bodies. There are 7 continents. So what are continents? Continents are the part of the land जहाँ पे आप reside कर रहे हो, जो ये जगह है, that is on continent. अब continent भी है. There are 7 type of continents. First is Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. So here you can see the all the 7 continents and the oceans as well. So this is North America, this is South America, this is Antarctica. Here is Europe, Asia, Africa, Antarctica and Australia. So these are the 7 continents of the earth. Asia is the largest and Australia is the smallest. So you should learn that Asia is the largest. You can see here as well. जो Asia cover करता है land, that is the most of the land is covered by the Asia. So that is why it is the largest continent. And you can see Australia, जो सबसे छोटा part है, that is Australia पे. जो Australia का part है, that is the small continent and Asia is the biggest one. It is fun to look at a globe and to find places on it, but it is difficult to show small places on the globe. अब globe पे you can only see the countries and oceans and continents, but you cannot see what are there in the countries, which cities are there, which states are there. So to show the small places, छोटी जगहों को दिखाने के लिए we shall need a very big globe. So globe को carry करना is not easy. It would be very difficult to handle. To solve these problems, we use maps. तो इसको कैरी करना बड़े ग्लोब को इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो इसको आप हैंडल भी करना डिफिकल्ट होता है एज इट इज राउंड इन शेप. सो इसको प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए हम मैप्स यूज करते हैं. यू हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ मैप्स. आपने आपकी बुक्स में भी यू हैव सीन इंडियन मैप ऑफ द इंडिया, फिजिकल और पॉलिटिकल. यू हैव ऑल्सो सीन द वर्ल्ड मैप, बट देयर आर ऑल्सो वेरी लार्ज मैप्स विच कैन बी हैंग्ड ऑन वॉल्स एंड दे आर नोन एज वॉल मैप्स. मैप क्या होता है बेसिकली? मैप इज अ ड्रॉइंग ऑफ द सरफेस. एक फ्लैट पेपर पे किसी जगह की ड्रॉइंग जो आपको ज्यादा डिटेल देती है, विच टेल्स यू अबाउट द प्लेस इन मोर डिटेल, दैट इज अ मैप. A map is a drawing on a flat surface. It can be drawing of the whole surface of the earth or any part of it. तो जो मैप होता है उस पर आप पूरे वर्ल्ड का भी मैप देख सकते हो, पूरे वर्ल्ड की भी मैप को शो कर सकते हैं. एंड छोटी भी प्लेसेस हो सकती हैं. मे बी इट कैन बी सिटी और अ स्टेट और अ कंट्री. मैप्स कैन बी वेरी बिग. मैप्स बहुत बड़े भी हो सकते हैं. दे कैन बी वेरी स्मॉल ऑल्सो. छोटे मैप्स भी हो सकते हैं. They can be folded. Maps are very portable. They can be carried easily, so they can be folded. हम उन्हें easily carry कर सकते हैं. We can use them where we are traveling. So if we are traveling, we can use the maps. We have big maps in our schools. You might have seen a very big map in your school which is hanged on the walls. Those maps are known as wall maps. So we have small maps in this book. So this is the map of the whole world. Here you can see the Arctic Ocean, North Pacific Ocean. This is the part of the Pacific Ocean that is in the north. It is South Pacific Ocean. This is North Atlantic. This is South Atlantic. This is Arctic Ocean. This is North Pacific. This is South Pacific. So जो Earth है basically that is round in shape. इसीलिए यहाँ पे अगर Pacific Ocean है तो यहाँ पे भी है. The map is displayed in a way कि आपको confusion ना हो कि जो ये North Pacific है ये इतना एरिया कवर करता है सारा. And this is Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean. So in this map you can also see the continents as well. There is North America, Europe, Africa, South America, Asia, Australia and Antarctica. So जो map है on which the whole surface of the earth is drawn is called the world map. जिस map के ऊपर आपको whole world का surface देखने को मिलता है, that is called the world map, right? We can find the names of all the oceans and continents in it. आप इसमें देख सकते हो. You can see all the names of the oceans and continents also. Can you locate India in this world map? Can you locate India? I can locate. This is the India. Here you can find India. See, this is Asia and India is in the southern part of the Asia. There are also separate maps of different continents. So अलग-अलग continents के you can find the different maps as well. Asia is the biggest continent in the world. जो Asia है that covers the large area I have already told you. So it is the largest continent in the world. Our country India is a part of the Asia. So our country lies in Asia, right? In the southern part. Next is the four directions are east, west, north and south. So there are four cardinal directions: east, west, north and south. So these cardinal directions help us to locate places. Okay, these help us to locate places on the map. आप map पे भी इससे located place कर सकते हो and in real life as well. So I am going to show you the directions now. Four cardinal directions. The directions are like this. So this is north. किसी भी place का upper part. Okay. Whether it be compass, अगर आप map पे भी you are marking anything, so जो upper top part होता है that is north, the bottom is south, the right part is east and the left is west. So this is the compass. Okay. जो नॉर्थ होता है दैट इज ऑलवेज एट द टॉप ऑफ अ मैप. जो नॉर्थ आपको मिलेगा ऑलवेज एट द टॉप, साउथ ऑलवेज एट द बॉटम, एंड द ईस्ट इज टू अवर राइट, ईस्ट इज टू अवर राइट, एंड वेस्ट इज टू अवर लेफ्ट, और वेस्ट होता है लेफ्ट में. In all the maps, directions are shown in the same way. जितने भी maps होते हैं, if you see, you will check, you will get to know that all the directions are marked in a same way in a map. That is, top is north, bottom is south, right is east, and left is west. Can you tell in which direction India lies on the map of the Asia? Yes, I have already told you, it is in the south direction, right? So there is a thing called compass. You might have seen Today also you can see that in our mobile phones as well there is compass available. So जो sailors होते थे, sailors who sail in ships, तो जो sailors होते थे, they used to have compass to find their way while sailing. अपना रास्ता locate करने के लिए they used to use compass. A compass is like a watch. Compass क्या होता है? Compass is like a watch जिसकी जो pin होती है that always point to the north. ठीक है. अगर if you get to know the north direction, you can easily locate the east, west and south, right? So it has needle which always points to the north. जो हमारी compass की direction होती है that always points to the north. Once you know where north lies, you can find the directions, right? It is easy to find if you know the north. So we have completed the chapter. You can check the video if you have any doubt. Now we are going to start the exercise. A, take the correct answer. A model of the earth is called a sphere. No. Circle. No, it is called a globe. A model of the earth is called a globe. Large maps hung on the walls are called books. No. Wall maps, right? जो walls पे map होते हैं, they are known as wall maps. Third, which is the largest ocean? So we have studied there are 5 oceans: Pacific, Atlantic, Southern, Indian and Arctic. So Pacific is the largest one. So Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Next, which is the smallest continent? Africa, no. Australia, no. Europe, no, sorry. I think, sorry. Which is the smallest continent? Africa, no. Europe is also no. Australia is the smallest continent. Fifth, in which part of the Asia India is located? So we have learned Asia is located in the south part of the India. So, sorry. Which is the smallest continent? Africa is not the smallest. Europe is not smallest. We have learned that Australia is the smallest one. Fifth, in which part of the Asia India is located? So in the southern part. We have learned that India is located in the southern part of the Asia. Second, fill in the blanks with the words given below. First, on the globe we can only see a part of the earth at a time. हम पूरे globe पे earth का एक छोटा सा part देख सकते हैं. Next, a dash is a drawing on a flat surface. A map is a drawing on a flat surface. Write map in the blank. The land is divided. Third, the land is divided in 7 large continents. So there are 7 continents. So write continents here. Next, fourth, the very large bodies of water are called oceans. So there are 5 oceans. So large bodies of water are called oceans. Third part, match the following. North. North is a direction. So first is third part. North is direction. Globe. Globe is the model of the earth. So match it with fifth point. Third is Africa. Africa is a continent. So answer is fourth. Atlantic. Atlantic is a ocean. So match it with first. And India. India is a country. Next, write true and false for the following statement. First, a map is a model of the earth. No, a map is a flat surface. So a globe is a basically model of the earth. So this is false. Second, oceans are huge water bodies. True, oceans are the huge water bodies. Third, a lake is much smaller than an ocean. Yes, a lake is very much smaller than the ocean. Fourth, a huge globe is easy to carry from one place to another. No, false. A map is easy to carry to one place to another. Fifth, Asia is the smallest continent. No, this is wrong. Asia is the largest continent. Sixth, there are four directions. Yes, there are four directions. True. North, west, south, and east. Fifth, answer in one word. How many continents are there in the world? There are 7 continents in the world. So write 7 here. Second, how many oceans are there in the world? There are 5 oceans in the world. So write 5 here. Next, name the smallest continent. The smallest continent is Australia. Write Australia in front of the third point. Fourth, name the largest ocean. The largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. So write Pacific here. Fifth point, name the continent in which you live. We live in the Asia, right? So write Asia here. Next, answer the following questions. Question number 1 is, what is the difference between a map and a globe? So, as we know that map is a flat surface, and flat surface or a picture drawing of anything, that is a map, and globe is the model of the earth. So, I'm going to write flat surface of earth. Flat surface, globe is the model of earth. Next point, in which way is a map more useful than a globe? Map is we can carry map easily, so it is more useful in such way, and we can locate a lot of places using a map. So I'm going to write it can be easily carried. You can write both the points, okay? Third part, what is the difference between a continent and an ocean? एक continent और ocean में क्या फर्क है? Continent is a large place of a land, and ocean is a huge water body, right? So continent, large area of land, and a ocean is a large water or huge water body, okay? Huge water body. What are 4 directions? So 4 directions are north, south, east, and west. So I'm going to write it here. North, south, east, and west. Fifth, what is a compass used for? A compass is used to locate directions. Locate or find directions. So we have completed the chapter. I hope everything is clear. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much. Happy learning.